Attorney General Godfrey Devoid has suggested to Parliament that the resolution they passed, which was asking the General Legal Council and the Ghana School of Law to admit LLB students who obtained the 50% pass mark, is not binding. The Attorney General indicated that Parliament is devoid of the power through the use of parliamentary resolutions to control the process of admission into the Ghana School of Law. And so this is a story that's just developing. My colleague Roland Walker is joining me in studio. Roland, what more does the Attorney General say in terms of his response to Parliament's resolution?
Well, so rightly, the Attorney General is trying to indicate, using provisions within our Constitution, that the General Legal Council has a certain regulation that also enables it to undertake. And it says the mode of exercising legislative power, more so by Parliament, is enshrined in Article 106 of the 1992 Constitution, but also does not admit resolutions in accordance with some sections that have been indicated. All truism saying that the power to give any sort of directive, as was undertaken by Parliament the last week, lies clearly within the bosom of the executive.
Right.
And if that is right, it would mean that the head of the executive, who is the president, should do the direction. He says that indeed that has been coming to his office. He's had that. He's had also petitions from the various bodies, i.e. the student, as well as another petition as well. He's looking at it, and that will give a certain indication. He does also in this statement clearly state that the General Legal Council has the powers based on the article that establishes the GLC to supervise the Ghana School of Law or the law school in admitting students, and goes on to also indicate that in that advertisement that called for the admissions of these students who have the LLB into the Ghana Law School, there was nowhere indicated that it states that the pass mark was going to be 50%.
Yes, I was going to ask about that. So in conclusion, what does the Attorney General seek by this response to the Parliament or the August House wants the House to do? Does the House reconsider its position, or simply basically accept the position by the AG that they clearly didn't have the powers to?
Well, what the Attorney General simply says is the executive is supposed to undertake all this. It lies within the bosom of the president. I've gotten notice of it. My office is handling it. But also clearly says in the statement that because the pass mark was not stated in the admission advertisement, it clearly would mean that some sort of direction from where he got that direction from the president, from his office, would have to be given to it. And so clearly it lies within the office of the Attorney General to indicate the direction will be going.
And he indicates that he's working on that. So thank you very much, Roland Walker there, my colleague, bringing us those details.